In today's video I will show you how to use geojson maps inside your native Android application. So if you don't know what geojson is, so there is this website called geojson.io, and I have just refreshed this. No, cancel. Okay, so here you can draw any map, and for that you will get a like a file, and you can import that file, and it will help you to automatically plot those points inside your native Android app with very minimal code. So here you can see that. So I will just go to streets view, okay, so that this view is more proper to me. And I suppose I am in Australia, I want something like this. Okay, so what I can do, I can just click on this draw line, okay, and I want this much, so I am just clicking on this to draw a polygon, and I'll press enter once the polygon is complete. And I can draw some marker as well, so I want this marker. So if you see, once you add this marker, this get added to your file as well. And here you can to save this file, you can just click on save and save it in form of geojson. I have already added one file to this, so I will be using that. So here you can see it is in form of geojson, and you have to add this raw folder. So to add this raw folder, just right click new Android resource directory, and here you can just click on raw, okay, and click ok, and just drag and drop your map.geojson. So if I show you what all things I have added is, firstly, inside your Android manifest you will have to add your API key. So inside build.gradle.kts I have just added two dependencies: our Google's Play Services map to display Google map, and you have to add this map utils ktx because you want to use this geojson file. So this dependency help us easily to plot the maps. Also, if I show you activity underscore main, here I am just added our maps view to occupy the entire width and height. And here I have taken a map view, and I have initialized it, and I have just created on create as well as get map async, and I am implementing on map ready callback. So once map is ready, firstly I have just hard coded some position, and first I'm adding a marker to that location and moving the camera to that location. But next, if you see, I am adding a geojson layer, and in that I am adding our map, okay, and I am referencing the file which we have added, so r.raw.map, and this is the context, and I am adding it to our map. And the polygon style is default polygon style, and I am applying some black color to this, but if you want to, you can change the color as well. And here once you click on it, I am just displaying a text message with some property. And here I am just overridden some lifecycle methods for our map. Make sure you override this method, this is the most important one, I think, otherwise sometimes the map is not visible. Particularly I face this issue in React Native and Flutter. So if you see the output, so here it is my Los Angeles marker, but if I try to zoom out, okay, I'll zoom out. It is taking some time to load my map. And if I now try to go to Australia, because I have drawn a marker over there, okay, so I'll just move to Australia. So here you can see it has automatically added a polygon inside polygon for my map, and if you want, you can change the color as well if you want to. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.